How does it feel to use the word very again and again? To be honest, बहुत boring हो जाता है. So today, let's work on this together and make our English more effective and precise by using some powerful alternatives. Hello friends, my name is Rashika, your trainer for today, and you are watching NIEL, the best place to learn fluent English and develop confidence. अक्सर हम लोग very का यूज़ बार बार करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम उसकी रिप्लेसमेंट एक एप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड से कर दें तो ना केवल हमारा मैसेज क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाता है बल्कि प्रिसाइज भी हो जाता है. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स स्टार्ट. वी ऑफनली यूज वेरी एंग्री. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग वेरी एंग्री, ट्राई सेइंग फ्यूरियस. For example, if you want to say that Rita got very angry as I didn't pick her call, try saying Rita got furious as I didn't pick her call. Moving to next word, that is very bad. If you want to use very bad, you can use terrible. For example, if you want to say the service at that restaurant was very bad, start saying the service at that restaurant was terrible. The next word is very clean. So whenever you want to use very clean in a sentence, start using spick and span. Spick and span. For example, if you want to say that I try to keep my room very clean, you can say I try to keep my room spick and span. Spick and span. The next word is very clear. Whenever you want to say very clear in a sentence, start using obvious instead of that. For example, if you want to say the content should be very clear to the viewer, you can say the content should be obvious to the viewer. The next word comes very beautiful. Whenever you want to say very beautiful in a sentence, start saying gorgeous. For example, if you want to say that I bought a beautiful dress for my brother's marriage, you can say I bought a gorgeous dress for my brother's marriage. So the next word is very bright. Whenever you want to use the word very bright in a sentence, start using glowing. For example, if you want to say my mother's skin is very bright, you can say my mother's skin is glowing. The next word comes very boring. So instead of using very boring in a sentence, start saying tedious. Tedious. For example, if you want to say that traveling alone is very boring task for me, you can say traveling alone is tedious for me. Tedious for me. The next word comes very careful. So instead of using very careful, start using cautious. Cautious. For example, if you want to say that one should be very careful while crossing the road, you can say one should be cautious while crossing the road. The next word comes very happy. So instead of saying very happy in a sentence, start saying delighted. For example, if you want to say I got very happy seeing my new phone, you can say I got delighted after seeing my new phone. The last word comes very roomy. So whenever you want to say very roomy in a sentence, start using spacious. For example, if you want to say that she lives in a very roomy bungalow, you can say she lives in a spacious bungalow. I hope each and every word and sentence is obvious to you. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it, and if you have not liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And do remember, knowledge increases by sharing only, not just by viewing. So do share with all your peers.